All right, it can hear me. It can hear you guys too. So we're gonna add a paragraph rule, and it's very easy. Some of you guys, what I notice you're doing is you're taking this particular tool that's right here, our line tool, and you're kind of doing this. Okay, and then you are doing this. You're making it a little bit bigger, and you're like, oh, there's my rule. The problem with this is that if you have a large amount of text and you have a bunch of rules, and let's say your editor says to you, oh, you need to pop in another page. So you have to put in another page in the middle of all your text. What's going to happen? All your text is going to flow, and your rules are going to stay where you put them. So then you have to, and you can anchor them too, which is a whole other story, but this is the best way to do it. So notice I have my invisibles on, so I know what I'm doing. I'm going to have my cursor within this first paragraph, and then this is beautiful. You're going to love this. Paragraph palette. Go to your pop-up menu, go down to paragraph rules, because they're called rules, not lines in design. And you're going to get a dialog box. I'm going to move it out of the way so I can see. I'm going to make a rule below, so I choose rule below. You can have a rule above and below, okay? Click rule on and see how it shows up. Now, suppose I want to make this nice and thick. That looks good. I can actually change the color of it. We'll make it magenta just to be obnoxious. Then down here, offset, I want to push it off a little bit. Oh, maybe I don't that far. I kind of like how my descender, my Y, goes into there. And basically that's it. If I wanted to, I can indent it from the right-hand side or from the left-hand side, like so. So there's a whole bunch of different options that you can have in here. But this is the proper way to put a rule in a paragraph. And for a bonus, here's a bonus, this is also the proper way to make reverse text. So you're going to love this. So to make reverse text, I'm going to make this really big because it's got to be bigger than my Villa Olivia Country Club. I'm going to go opposite like this. That looks about even, does it not? I might make it a little bit bigger. Go down a little bit more. Okay, I'm just kind of playing with this puppy here. And then my color, okay, I'm going to change my text actually to white. Click away, and there I have reverse text. Now what I would want to do though, however, is I don't want to write against the side because I'm really picky like that, so I might push it out a little bit more. So there you have how to do reverse text and how to add a rule using the paragraph palette, option, paragraph rules. The end.